Hi crochet friends, I'm Maggie and this is Maggie May Crochet. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a foundation single crochet. A foundation single crochet is when you create your foundation chain and your first row of single crochets at the same time. Traditionally, you'll create your chain first and then place your single crochets back into that chain. The advantage of doing a foundation single crochet is that, number one, your work is much stretchier. This is a good technique to use when you're making sweaters, maybe the neck of a sweater or the wrist. Sometimes your foundation chain is tight and your work will curl. Another advantage of a foundation single crochet is that you can adjust the length of it much easier. For instance, you've done your chain and you've put your single crochets into it and then you find that your work isn't long enough. You have to rip it out to add more stitches. With this technique, because you are creating your foundation and your single crochets at the same time, it's really easy to adjust. So let me show you how to do it. You start by placing a slip knot onto your hook. Then you'll create 2 chains and you'll place your hook into the first chain, making sure that you go under 2 strands of that chain. You want the middle and top strand of that chain on your hook. Yarn over and bring your yarn through. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. This first loop is going to turn out to be your first foundation chain. So we yarn over and pull the hook through that first loop to create our first chain. I'm going to hold on to that first chain with my thumb and finger. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through those 2 loops to create a single crochet. That first stitch that I made that I'm holding on to here is where my hook will go. I'm putting my hook under the first strand and the second strand of that stitch, the V of my stitch. I'm going to yarn over, pull it through that V. 2 loops are on my hook. The first loop is going to be my next foundation chain. Yarn over, pull through, 2 loops are on my hook. Now I'm going to scooch my fingers up to this stitch that I just made to show me where my next stitch will go. The 2 loops that are on my hook are going to become my second single crochet. I'm yarning over and pulling through those 2 loops. I'm placing my hook back into that stitch that I just made. So I'll move my fingers and I'm going to place it under the first and second strand of that stitch so that I have the V. Yarning over, pulling my hook through. Yarn over, pulling my hook through that first loop. Moving my fingers up to hold on to this next stitch. Yarn over, pulling through the 2 loops on my hook for my single crochet. So essentially what we're doing is we're creating a chain and then our single crochet, a chain, a single crochet. We're doing them at the same time. So when you turn your work over, your hook is going to go into the V that you're creating. Now I'm creating the next chain or V, yarning over and creating my single crochet. Turn my work over. Here is my V. My hook goes into the first and second loop of that V. Bringing the yarn through, holding on to that stitch. Yarn over, pulling through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Put my hook through the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now my fingers are here to hold on to my next stitch. Yarn over, pull through to make the single crochet. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.